Yeah, good morning and a special welcome, guys. I know I haven't posted for a while. Well, today, it's January 19th, 2024. Been away for some months on end, so I know I haven't been around, so I couldn't record any videos to post. But I know the bush would have grown up a lot, so I know there will be some cleaning up to do. The pups are still there, the dogs are still there. They're survivors. Yeah, so there's a lot of bush, a lot of cleaning up to do. Yeah, a lot of cleaning up to do. Oh yeah, that looked like me. Well, I'll get back to that shortly. But there's a lot of cleaning up to do. The bush has grown up. Yeah, the bush has grown back up a lot, man. So there's a lot of cleaning up to do. The grass is heavy in the road. The dogs are still there. Serious cleaning up. Orange trees over there. Papaya. Wow. Papaya is going. Papaya is going, man. Yeah. The sugar cane is full of bush. Oh my god, it is still there. Got this little dude on the bonnet there on the hood hanging out with me today, man. Oh, he's gone. Oh, okay. Yeah, so just walking back through and looking at the amount of grass and bush and thing that would have grown. I'm just taking a view of what has to be done. Has to do some serious cleaning up again. Yeah. This side over here is not too bad. This one over here has been guys had sprayed some stuff. We had to keep the grass down. But over here we've got a lot of the grass growing up. I haven't really sprayed anything over here. Trying to keep you a little bit more organic, free from pesticides, insecticides, and so on. But yeah, we had to start planting up, cleaning up, and then planting up some stuff, some produce, and see what we can sell, See what we can sell and let the garden pay for itself. Start putting in that growth mindset and start showing that you can use any form of work or job or any form of skill set, any industry, be it agriculture, be it finance, be it. Oh, look at that. The coconut tree has died. That's the one where we got the jellies before. The coconut, we even peeled some below here and we drank them here, and then we carry up the rest of the house. The tree has died. So sad, man. So sad. Yeah, so we got some bananas here. Yeah, I got some cleaning up to do. Got a pipe to fix over there too. Pipe was broken there. The cocoa trees. Sorry. My hand was in the way there. Sorry. I gotta edit this thing out. So yeah, the coconut tree, as I was saying, it has died. So now to do some replanting. Plant some coconut trees again. We got some bananas here, as I was saying. Um, and cocoa tree. Got some cocoa on the trees here as well. The vines growing up. So we got some cleaning up to do. We got some serious cleaning up and so on to do. Yeah. Clean the roads coming through there as well. There's a lot of grass. The grass isn't that bad here, but we need to clean that up. Clean the driveway and so on. We got some nutmegs here. And nutmegs on the way, man. They're on the way. So yeah. Some nice cocos here too. Cocoa looking really nice there, man. Oh, sweet. Let's focus. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, I clean up all this bush, man. Big mango tree, no mangoes. No mangoes. Cocoa. Yeah. Gotta clean up. Down here isn't that bad. But up on the top, the grass. It's mainly the grass. The area with the grass. This is one of the citrus fruits. Citrus tree. Sorry. Has some serious picker. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. That grass gotta cut. Tall grass. Yeah. Yeah. This tree's growing pretty tall. That's a bay leaf tree. It needs to probably cut the top, let it spread out more below. Got some coconuts over there. At least you got a coconut tree still. It's properly done, man. Yeah, yeah, the cocoa tree here. Got some cocos on it as well. Got a little blugger. Some blugger right there. Avocado tree over there. No avocados on it, no. Yeah, but we got some cleaning up to do. Yeah, down here isn't that bad. Get that cleaned up in about a couple days or so. Yeah. Oh, that's in my Jean. I mean, it's French. Not this one, it's this one. No, that's not it. It's supposed to close up when you touch it. So that's not it. Yeah. Grass to cut. Lemon tree, no lemons. That's a cashew tree. I think it's French cashew. No cashew. Sapodilla has some little ones on top. Oh, yeah. If I can catch that little one. Yeah, right there. That's not right. Yeah, so this area needs some grass cleaning up. Some serious cleaning, which it's gonna get pretty soon. It's a young avocado tree. Yeah, I made some avocado the last time around, so next season, you should make some again. Oh, it's a bird there. Some pineapple trees there. Yeah, a bird's nest on the pineapple tree right there. Yep, that's it right there. Alright. So let's let's go through the other side and see what crops, what fruits that might be available there still. So let's catch you on the next one.